Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshe Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly see how to factory reset your sunglasses, Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses, so that everything is cleared, everything is wiped out from the sunglass. So without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So without wasting any time, let me show you all how to do that. So there is a capture button over here. You need to press it 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. So you'll see this solid orange coming up. Now press and hold it for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. So now it is pulsating between white and orange. It's clearing out everything. That's all you need to do. So it would be factory reset after some time. Once this pulsating light stops, it is factory reset and you can connect it to any other device as well. But make sure you unpair it from your current device, and then you can pair this with any other phone as well. So you can wait for some time until this light blinking stops. So it has turned green. That's all. It's gone. Everything is gone. The sunglass is factory reset. Now it's ready to be used in other phone as well. So yeah, that's a quick video which I wanted to do. Hope you liked it. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in next video. Until then, see you. Bye.